Hi guys, welcome again to Legit Update, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money online with just this site called NAIRAWORKERS.com. So now let's get to this video as fast as we can. Please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it to those who you know that might need it also. So now I'm going to show you how you can perform taxes. In my previous videos, one of my previous videos, I have shown how you can register and sign up on this site. So you can go back, and at the end of the video, you see the video in a box at the end of this video, or check the description below. You see the video down in the description below, the link right there. Click on it and you can learn how to subscribe to this to register on these Naira Workers. So now I'm going to go straight to the video. Now we have signed up, and this is my profile. Right, this is my profile, and now I'm going to show you how you can perform taxes on Naira Workers. It's a very simple thing. All you just have to just follow these procedures and you're good to go. So now you can see available jobs. You have to click on available jobs. Then you can see right here most recent ones and the highest paying. These are the two that are available. So you can see the ones that perform the right done under it, the right done anyone you have done the right done under it. So now you can see how simple the tax. So you can see some of it. The lights for let's just perform two taxes, and I'll end this video. So now let's check for another one. WhatsApp TV. These are simple tasks. Go for simple ones if you know you're in a bit of a rush. What is best for workers? Join through the link below. Make sure you reply "save done" to them. Then let's click on the link. All these are WhatsApp TVs that need referrals. So some people are behind these that are not actually the owner of the WhatsApp TV, but are getting paid for referring. So you can see how good Naira Workers are. You can post your jobs and so many other things. If you need a video now, you can post your jobs on Naira Workers. Jobs in the comment section below. Let me know if you need that video, and I will do it immediately for you. So we have to wait for them to respond, and they will send you the screenshot. Meanwhile, if case they might delay, let's go to another tax. Let's do this one. Require proof the number you used to join. So let's click on the WhatsApp group. Just click on the link and it directs you immediately. So now, sorry. So you click on join. Then this is the group. So now we'll go back to the Naira Workers page. Then we go to the proof. We'll submit the proof section. Then we'll type in our phone number. Then we are good to go. Then now the other tax that we're waiting for the reply from them, they have replied to us. So now we have to go back to it. So now you're welcome to. I hope you are ready. The only steps you need to take if you want to gain access to it is to save this number, saved and done. Yeah, I'm good to go. So now we just have to save that number. Then that's all. So now we'll go back to that update. That's if I find the tax again. Let's forget about that. And that is how you can easily perform taxes on these Naira workers, and as simple as that. That is all you need to know about it. So please make sure to click the subscribe button, like this video, um, and share. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Go ahead and join this right now. You see the link in the description below. Click on it and get started immediately. Don't waste time and don't procrastinate. Trust the process. Trust the process.